Investor Pingwui lupa crore shàkhani langda zàmikahai kaphen case li Manipur-based firms with tungli idina complaint thàsanghaira. Mizoram li ngayinkhuikasa Myanmarnao thingkathum shikha hanung haira. Swachh Survekshan 2024-25 award mishokhaira India with tharmeithui kaji city Indore tàluihaira. Promising Swachh Shehar di Jiribam zangdale. Lekhayang ator aja Tangkhul Express Pvt pao Ringyaophi Ningshen ina pamidale. Paobing may saina nanang ramsa. Manipur-based firms Birla Emporium Huitungli Enforcement Directorate idina supplementary prosecutions complaint SPC thàsanghaira. Complaint ji Birla Emporium chui director Yumnam Irabanda Singala kate otsakruma Huitungli katana. Atumna Manipur iwi investors mi thingphanga katali kate kazawi wangna the officials na yautang hanga. Idina supplementary prosecutions complaint kathahi Manipur CID crime branch na sing Huitungli criminal case ngadaday da thàsanghaira withili kharana. Yumnam Irabanda Singh na Ira finance kaho firms kate akhalila kathana sasaya. Investigators na Pakashok Atishurta 2019 and 2021 alongly Singh na fraudulent deposit schemes shoda returns chulak in a mirror that doing a shit mida yarili invest sang sakai laga yari lupa ji invest masala lupa 250 crores kada masha wewang shichin vai hawaji. ED report Atishurta Birla Emporium Tikala Ira Finance na unauthorized investment schemes show kala loan against property offers la mikasana. Ka mibing na kaham properties company employees kala directors pingwe amingay na transfer sa hawa da pen. Kala property chithada transfer sa kui ji sale deed mga aina sa da kajangkat akhawa pingwe na lanje kuitui mi hawa da hanga. 2020 kum company ji kaswirak shunghai laga investors pingwe fund mahan mitwa da hanga. Authorities na claim kasa singala away ping na fraud achiwi na tiang makeup ta immovable properties hang chishata phanga kala asset ngataday da acquired sakwi hawa. Hiling asunda idi na lupa 28.2 crores we asset provisionally attached sahira da hanga. Ajang Makadarik Tharuk Tang Agency Jina Special PMLA Quarterly Prosecutions Complaint Thasangda Properties Pingji Kuimi Kawai Kamaya Pohaira. Mizoram li ngayinkhuikasa Myanmar wimi thingkathum shikha athungwi ram hanung haira. Athumji Mizoram li yamgada masangrang sai. Rival China rebel groups alongly ceasefire maya khangrok lega haina hanung sakhaira the senior police officer na aya hanga. Officials power hishuda Myanmar national thingmati shaphanga kada achiwi kachang hili Mizoram ni yamgada border kung jo khauthar sai khumphai kala vaiphai champhai district li ngayinkhuikasa. Myanmar Shong Jin National Defense Force CNDF kala Jinland Defense Force CDF we lungle khon kazar leida hishong yam gagana. Police source atishurda zokhauthar we aina refugees thingkhani sachuko magadagathum kala vaipai we aina thumrada jiko yautang Myanmar hanung haira. Athum hankung je kachang hiwe tarik shini thang hawpokta tarik thrada khani we thili chungsang maman hawa. Indo-Myanmar border situations calm sadale. Kala refugees jungmaida hanung hawlapai the authorities na chihandale. Myanmar li 2021 Maroon Military Corps ka shokwe na achi rashung da Mizoram na Myanmar refugees ting thumrada khani katali ngayinkhuikasa khaira. Kala identifications wibang Mizoram Shorkar na refugees pingwe biometric kala demographic data achiwi kachang pe hili khuipok khawai ngarandale. Swachh Survekshan 2024-25 award President Draupadi Murmu na mishokhaira. Award Mikashok ang ranangi ji Vigyant Bhagwant New Delhi Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs MOHUA na makokmi. Super Swachh League cities Magdakatumle felicitate Saira felicitations to Union Ministers Monahar Lal Kala MOHUA Tokans Sahu we Mangali Kwikaya. Zàmikahai kumui thada 2024 to 25 hilila India we tharmeithui kaji city Indore na tàluihaira. Thar khamathaia Indore na atoli kazang hi ngaronda kajishada kum ngasaya. Tharmeithui kaji cities kakhanili Surat kala kagathumali Navi Mumbai zanga. Kum hada kasa shorkar we cleanliness surveys li mathameithui kaji category Super Swachh League cities 2024 to 25 li mi machine then legs khalang wili Indore Surat Navi Mumbai Vijayawada hiping hina tharmeithui mi lakathum ina thrawe alungli khalenga chaili Noida Chandigarh Mysuru Ujjain Gandhinagar Guntur hiping hina mathameithui Thing hang panga ina lakathum alungli khale ngajaili New Delhi Municipal Council Dirubadi Ambikapur Lonavala hiping hi mathameithui Thing magaina thing panga alungli khale bingwui ngajaili Vida Sasvat Deolali Bravara Dungarpur hiping hi zanga Kalami ting magu wajingli khale ngajaili Super Swachh League cities Banchgani Badant Bandhala V Bishrampur Bhuthani hiping hi zanga India we clean cities katharwing ngajaili la Ahmedabad Bhopal kala Lucknow hiping hi top Swachh Shehar li zangdale Swachh Survekshan 2024 to 25 national awards li Mahakumbh li special recognitions mi haira Swachh Shehar category li mi lak thara khalangwi ngajaili Ahmedabad Bhopal Lucknow hiping hi tharmeithui lakathumina lak thara walungli khale pingli Mira Bayandar Bilaspur Jamshedpur na top 3 Thinghang phangai na lakathum category li Tiwas Garhat Karnal Thingmagai na Thinghang phangawi category Panaji Aska Kumhari kala mi machine Thingmagali Tiaomaida we Bilha Jigidi Shanganji hiping hina tharmeithui kachili zangam Indore katha Super Swachh League la Swachh Shehar category Makashungrar la thar khamathengli mangawa khawai katomda state union territory pingwi promising Swachh Shehar la shomia One city, one award the state kajivu with top performing cities li promising Swachh Shehar da machut mia. Chile state kala union territories with cities thumrada matili urban cleanliness kala sanitations mathakhawai manga kakhui wi machut mi haira. Promising Swachh Shehar Pingji Manipur li Jiribam Meghalaya li Shillong Mizoram li Lunglei Nagaland li Zulagi Ladakh li Gargil Sikkim li Mangant hiping hi zanga Reduce, reuse, recycle 3 R's approach wewang Ministry li President Murmun Mayakangai Pongshokta Waste to Wealth Shurkawai Kasatsanga Manipur Project Coordinations Portal MPCP we ought Sadakle Maramli Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Phalana Yautang Planning Department Senior Officials Pingling Soda Review Kazi Pamhaira Portal G State we Infrastructure Development Project Yangasangli Interdepartmental Coordinations Mathaming Sakwai Kasanaji Officials Pingjina Portal Jiwi Karin Gala Ot Sadakale Status Hangjitaya Public Work Department Public Health Engineering Department MSPDCL MSPCL MHUD Police District Administrations Kala ID Department Zangda State with Department Ngatadana Project Ngatadada Kuigat the Kalele Coordinate Sakawai Portal Ji Shijindale the Hangam Project we Kangaran Gala implementations le Adamhen the Gazang Malekawai Initiative Ji Kui Karana the Governor Nahangam System Ji Malingda Pangsa Kawai Gala Project Adam Jada Kupsang Kawai Relevant Department Psychorally Kasat Mikawai Governor na Planning Department Senior Officials Ping Jili Hanghaira Palana Digital India Mission Tui Hakamay Ningrin Maramlila Hangsangam Digital Infrastructure Matame Kangsak Government Service Electronically Mikawai Kala Digital Inclusion Promote Kasahi Digital India Mission Tui Ningrin Nakaji Hangam Digital service chi society we sections saikoru marginalized communities aina rural remote apam lila vashunga sakhwai governor phalana kasat sanga. Senapati shong lupa lak langda we nishari tukhui haira. Senapati police station with special operations team gala D78 CRPF na routine frisking operations kazadli WY tablets lupa lak magada mati shikawit tukhuyaji. Frisking operation GT Kulant Naka checkpoint Senapati district li hortang shun kasana. Chili Hyundai I-20 gari aka Imphal wina Senapati shong vawgida zat kasali tukakwina. Kari Thauzat Kasa Aji Zingum Magadatruk Makak Mayumt Fridosh Sharif Hoda Yaripok Tuli Hal Awang Lekai Imphal East Wimina. Kari Chi Chek Kasali Polythene Khau Kutumli Contraband Substance Chi Zangasanaji. Khau Chi Magistrate Kala accused we Mangali Puta Akau Avavuli packets Katyo Hang Panga Zang sada saikorung rumlagam WY tablets atha thing magade chiko sa chiko hangshni da mati kaya kalachi packaging zang laga 3.172 kilograms kaya da hang tukhui ka hai ari kala kari chila legal shongpong za thishuda khuimi haira accused chi custody haida ocho chiwi case Senapati police station li thàsanghaira investigation chat mahungtale. Security senior army officers being Manipur Governor Li Sampangda Duran Kapt Khangaran Maram Hangjitihaira. Kala Security Review Sahaira. Eastern Command with General Officers Commanding in Chief GOC in C Lieutenant General Ramchandar Tiwari, GOC Spear Corps Lieutenant General Abhijit S. Bandharkar, Kala Inspector General of Assam Rifles South Major General Rafrup Singh Atumna Aya Governor Ajay Kumar Phalali Raj Bhavan Imphali Sampangam. Shakha Tumrada Kamade Duran Gaps Manipurli Ngryogi de Kalewi Khangaran Sada Kale Maram GOC in Sina Governorli Hangjitihaira. Jienang Soda State with Security Angaret La Border Security Kashok Kazang Hangjitaya. Kazip Katayakali Governor Ajay Kumar Phalanatanda Manipur State and Academy MSKA with General Council Kazip Raj Bhavan Lipam Haira. Academy Chiwi Administrative Kala Developmental Maram Standing Communities Kasem Hikatha Ngasan Hairachi. Atumna Temsak Ngashan Wardam Ogotui International Audience Vashunda Promote Sakavai Maram Ngasan Haira Hanga. Okrul District Li Kale GNV Ramvuk Li Class 6 Damkavai Online Application Ngahotale. PM Shri School Jawahal Novodaya Vidyalaya Ramvu Ukrul 1 Session 2026 to 27 Li Class 6 Damkavai Selection Test Sauram. Class 6 Selection Test G Ajukum Kayon December Tarik Tradaka Tumthang Rumira. Porekha Juwivang Application July Marangachang Hui Tarik Mugati Jukona Kanawa Zimik Shongasara. Selection Test Juwivang Candidates G 2014 Kum May Karam Tarik Akain Hapokta 2016 July Marang Tarik Tumrada Kain Tang the Walungli Kaparana Ngasap Lungra. Academic Session 2024-25 Li Class 5 Tamkahai Pass Sakahai Ping Selection Test Li Mazang Paimara. Kala Candidates G Ukrul District Hui in a Class 5 Full Academic Session Tampalungra. Selection Test G Candidates Akana Khani shida apply masa paimara. Repeat kasathayaka selection test chi mathang sakmara. PM Shri School Jawahal Novodaya Vidyalaya Ramvu Ukrul 1 hi co-educational residential school na. Jili free education board kala lodging miyam. NCC Scout and Guides Games and Sports hikata high miyam. Class 6 Damkavai selection test with registrations wivang website CBSE itms.rcil.government.in nvsli vapaira. Health text Zingsho Zimikli 700-5495-121 Kalam W Danashyamtli 811-8942-325 li Ngahan Baira. Ladluita Ajiwi Khamataiya Paobing. Investor Bingwui lupa crore shàkhani langda zàmikahai kaphen case li Manipur-based firms with tungli idina complaint thàsanghaira. Mizoram li ngayinkhuikasa Myanmarnao thingkathum shikha ram hanung haira. Swachh Survekshan 2024-25 award mishokhaira India with tharmeithui kaji city Indore na tàluihaira. Promising Swachh Shehar di Jiribam zangdale. Achu pao hilinga janghaira. Pao ngana da klain thum sai korli ringapha kalakhamhai zimikshong sa serin.